This is the handstand leg switch tutorial. Let's break down the move step by step. So first I'm gonna bend my legs and I'm gonna place my hand flat on the floor. I'm gonna try to keep my hand as close as possible for my leg. So try not to leave the hand too far away. That you're not gonna be able to push the leg as high enough and it's not gonna be comfortable for you. So you're gonna walk your hand as close as you can to your leg, and first we're gonna just understand the motion of the leg. So I kick one leg up as far as my flexibility allows me, bring back down to my toes, and then I'll alternate. So I'm gonna do this a couple of times just so I can understand the motion, and this is the first part of the drill. If this is too easy, you can move on to the next part of the drill. Let's take a look onto that. On the second part of this drill, same idea, my hand is flat, get the hand as close as I can to my leg. Make sure your hand is flat on the floor, I'm not just leaning on my fingers. And then I'm gonna do the motion again, but this time, when my leg's coming back down, I'm gonna do the switch. Nice and small, very gentle, so it's still catching the weight on my toes, just so I can understand and get used to the switch. Once that's easy, you can make the switch a little bit longer. So I'm gonna raise my leg a little bit higher, and then I'm gonna try to make a bigger switch. So I bring my leg higher and the switch happen a little bit earlier in the air. If that's easy, I'm gonna progress even more. Now I'm gonna do the swing, so I can try to get used to the momentum of the leg going up, and then the switch happens at the top of that movement. When my leg gets high as I can, that's when I do the switch. So I'm gonna put my weight into my arm, so I'm leaning. Ideally, I wanna link that motion of kicking the leg up to the switch, but for now we just practice the motion a couple of times and then we do the switch when we feel ready. On the next drill, that's when you're gonna combine everything and always catch the weights on your toes. As you can see now, we're gonna try to do just one swing, but take advantage of that swing of the leg on the way up. As my leg goes as high as it can, automatically it's gonna push my leg that's on the floor up, so I can just get used to the momentum and take advantage of the momentum. Practice on your own level, and as you're getting comfortable with it, you can just move on and get the move as nice and as clean as possible. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.